Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bad King. Today's video, I want to share with you 9 times Wizkid dropped words of wisdom in an interview. Wizkid is an African artist who is from Nigeria, Lagos, Surulere to be precise. He is the most awarded artist. Yesterday was his birthday, and everybody in the country, the continents, and also other places from the whole globe wished him a very beautiful and happy birthday. Myself, I'm wishing Wizkid right now a happy belated birthday to him. So these are the 9 top times he dropped very wise words on an interview.
I tell my boys every time, I'm like, see, no label can push you as much as you want.
Yes.
Like, you have to actually put in work.
Yes.
Everyone supports anything that's successful.
Yes.
Everyone wants to affiliate with anything that's successful. So if you're too good, they'll never neglect you, or they won't want to work on your project. They'll definitely want to invest. This is business.
You've heard it yourself. You really need to put in work in whatever you are doing. If you don't do it, then no one else is going to do it for you. That is coming from Wizkid.
You know me, man. I always go back there. Every time I go back home, I'm always in my hood. I'm always with my people. I like to just hang out, just chill, let them feel me, touch this shit. It's not magic. It's real life. I'm like you. If I can do it, you can do it more. You know, I like to inspire the kids. I like to just go there and just
say that if he could do it, then obviously you would be able to do it. This is Wizkid advising, encouraging his brothers from Nigeria, Surulere, all over the globe, that as he could do it, definitely you would do it. Keep striving that you would do it.
Music is a universal language, bro. So you don't have to understand, what the person is saying to enjoy it. Like, people have just always been like, the world has never been open-minded.
The next one you are about to watch is him saying that he's hungry and he's trying to be the best of himself. So whatever you are doing, try to do it to perfection, right?
It's like, it's a great thing, man. Every day I feel like a brand new artist. I'm hungry for this. Like, I'm trying to be the best Wizkid that I can, so every day I'm working on to be a better person. So it's like I don't feel like I don't feel like, oh, I'm in a new territory, so I have to do this to be loved, or for people to like my sound, or I have to do this for people to fuck with me. Like, nah, I'm just really making my music and still catching my real vibes, not trying to dilute the sound, collaborate when I can. When I was younger, my mama told me, like, yo, when God blesses you, you should be smart enough to know that you should take more, you should be more cautious. That's when you should get more cautious of what you say, what you do, and how you move.
When you are finally where you wanted to be at in life, when you finally arrive at your success, you should try as much as possible to be cautious of everything. Don't get too over it so you don't misbehave.
There's actually unity. These niggas are actually cool. We're all friends, we're all family, like, we all love each other in one way. I want to see everybody win, man. I'm sure everyone feels the same way about us, no matter how bad we feel about each other.
Have the mindset of everyone winning together with you. Don't be selfish, no matter what.
Stay blessed, stay humble, stay happy, enjoy the pain and the joys of life, and just, more love, less ego,
This is the most powerful one. You need to stay blessed, you need to stay happy, enjoy the pains and joys of life. More love to everyone, less ego, don't be too proud of yourself. Stay blessed. That's from Wizkid.
I had this conversation with my friend the other day in the studio, and I was like, we can talk about how crazy and bad the country is from A to Z, but that's not going to change anything. The most amazing thing you can do is really empower the youths and in ways that you don't even understand. Like me being successful, like you said, I came from a drill labor. I've gone through years of immense hard work, and I'm here now. I would love for the young youths and like the young people in Nigeria to see that nothing is impossible. You know, you can really take it above and beyond.
Wizkid, and I quote, I've gone through men's hard work and I'm here right now. I feel nothing is impossible when you put in work. You just need to keep working and believing in yourself. One way, someday, you'll be where you want to be at, you know. And just to add to this, Passengers, that movie, there's a quote and it says, a friend once said, you can't get so hung up on where you'd rather be. What you forgot to make is the best of where you are. You got lost along the way, but we found each other and we made a beautiful life together. Now, people say like, you can't get so hung up on where you want to be. Say you could snap your finger and be where you want to be. I bet you still feel the same way, not in the right place. Point is, you can't put yourself there. You just need to make the best of who you are. You know, if you watch this to this point, then you've completed the video. I want you to hit that subscribe button and get yourself subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I love you. Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section the type of video you want us to do. Thanks. Have a great day ahead.